Tell you, still feel like I'm in Jamaica, man. I realize they're all the same. Yeah. Yes, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. This is my new series called See the World Through the Lens of Taz Pro Media. So, take a trip. You know, I was online and I decided, you know what?
Take on with me.
But take a trip.
So,
and
follow the channel.
You know, I saw this actual video of Grenada, and I was, you know, looking to and researching Grenada, just like when I went to Ghana, and I started to find Grenada fascinating. So I said, okay, you know, take a plane. Decide, okay, take a plane, take a trip.
I need to find where this is. I really need to find, and I go challenge myself to find out where this place is there. Only if you tell me I wish about this. And once you tell me, then I'll go there and find it. Tell me where this place is there. I'm going to go find it. I mean, look at this. So we're talking about beauty. This almost look like Jamaica. This almost look like Jamaica. You have some place in a Chulani, and some place in a Mobile, and some place all over Jamaica. Like and subscribe. Support the channel. I have some serious things planning up in 2024 the end, and 2025 as well. You understand? I have to go to some of these places. I have a list of places. I have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And when I got to Grenada, I land there, you know, check out everything. People, finally, I'm here, thank God. Finally a touchdown here in Grenada. Welcome to the land of Spice Island, and it's really called Spice Island, and it's real Spice Island. Thank God, the land was in St. Lucia was not like the land in Grenada. The land in St. Lucia, trust me, that's the worst landing I've ever experienced in my life, in all my years and many travels.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, we do ask you to please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has arrived onto stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. This is not only for your safety, but the safety of the passengers in your surrounding area. Thank you.
You know what? This is one of the weirdest things that I've done in a long time. Because normally, I haven't done this for years. Walking down the steps of an aircraft. I've not done that in years. When I was young, I was in Jamaica. They used to do that, you know, walk down the steps, I walk up the steps, or whichever way it go first, and it was a normal thing. But now, it's like a thing of the past. So when you actually see these things, it's so it's so strange, you know, walking down the steps, you know, but. Yeah, man, I like it because you actually get to go out, and I went outside, you know, meet all family and friends, and you know. But when I went on the road, it was something different. I said to myself, so wow, this is like Jamaica. But anyway, I won't say too much. Just watch the video, and there's so many more videos to come. This is just the starting of the series, the first when I just reached here in Grenada. Please like and subscribe, support the channel. Please comment, because there's a lot of things. There's a lot of places I've traveled since I've been here, and I want you to travel with me. You know what I mean? I want you to be involved. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.
What's going on, girl?
Well, you know, you stay out. Stay out.
See it? Yeah, man, in a Grenada, live and living color. Live and living color. Look, still at the airport. Still at the airport. Tell you, still feel like I'm in Jamaica, man. I realize they're all the same. They all feel the same. All feel the same. Yeah. You cold? Now, this guy crazy. Look at him. That's him cold, you know. You get that shit. You feel hot and cold in it. Like you feel like you're hot, but you could chill. Jeremiah said I'm cold. How can you be cold? Huh? This is serious business. For real. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
This is life in Grenada.
Yes, man.
You can do that in London.
Make sure you hold on properly, yeah? Yeah. You ready, Lex? On the way from the airport. First evening in Grenada. Moccasin. You know how long I say moccasin? They call it the 3-man stout in Jamaica. That they call the 3-man stout. You know how long I say moccasin? Moccasin 3-man stout. See the 3-man on it? We're in traffic. Yeah. Yeah, boy, I tell you. Huh?
Special compartment there.
Oh, where the screen can fit, bro? Only for money with a camera, chef. Serious thing, boy. That's my partner there. That's my brethren. I tell you, the last time I see this brother, we was in Ghana. In an SUV, the same way. Where are we now, bro?
We're in Grenada, man.
We're in Grenada now. Serious business. Trust me. Traveling the world right now. Serious thing. Yeah, so they say we're going fishing tomorrow?
In the morning.
Fish tomorrow morning, fishing. My gosh. This is gonna be fun. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. Earlier I tell you, you know what? My experience with that flight, the flight was okay flying, but the landing was horrible. That was the worst landing I ever feel in my life. How many years I've been flying. Right. I mean, the plane that literally dropped. Everyone complaining about that. The plane literally dropped out the sky. Drop, bang!
Wow.
And even when it dropped, it kind of swerved like, it feel like it was going to roll over. Yeah, it feel like off balance. You could feel it.
First officer that.
Him, he ain't doing well at all. If I was his examiner, he would fail definitely.
I think first officer dropped that thing there.
That one? But I tell you.
You get a little feel, you know?
You get a little feel of it. Yeah, he never do good at all. Yeah, man. But, you know, thanks.
Might beg the pilot.
You get a little yellow land, yeah.
You know?
Never do good at all.
The pilot might say, don't mash up the plane.
Mash up the plane, yeah. So be careful, you know, to make sure you don't dent it, you know.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like, flip over the plane, you know, everybody's life, you know, in jeopardy there.
And drop that plane, drop it hard. Yeah, but thank God, you know. On the way home, so look at this traffic.
You're long. Just right here, it's around the boat.
Oh, the traffic ain't long?
No.
Okay.
Around the boat is right here, so. You know, when you get to a roundabout, you always slow it down, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Accident happened there.
That's an accident.
Yeah.
What going on here? Oh, police.
Go ahead, sir. Go
Alright, sir.
So how the hell them two man crash like that? It's not like this.
And from here, you could just go forward. Yeah, just go forward.
Oh, it's an accident. I took this wrong, you know, traffic.
So Trevor, you give wrong information.
You understand?
Eh? Lucky I was listening to you, Trevor. This roundabout look like we're coming out of Montego Bay Airport. Look at this roundabout here. What? Yeah, man, nice one. I like Grenada already. I only been here 1 hour. So it's a fishing tomorrow.
Fishing tomorrow morning.
Boss, Trevor.
Right on only.
Boy, Trevor, they can't stop us, boy. I tell you, everywhere we are. We are everywhere.
Yeah, man.
Oh, they might go tired fishing with fish. Where's the apartment? Up there?
Yeah. Where Charlie gone?
You better stop and wait for her, you know. She know where she going?
Well, that's it. She knows
Like
she
a
knows
plan.
she's going, but I have to stop off and get it by license.
Everybody walk, yeah, I know this. This one, I definitely see this one on the I don't know how people walk inside here. And people walk inside the way. I tell you, they're brave.